Excellencies of the Diplomatic Corps, Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana and other members of the Cabinet, Historical Commission of the Philippines Chairman Rene Escalante, Taguig City Mayor Maria La Army Cayetano, Ma'am, General Eduardo Año and the other major service commanders, Police Director General Ronald De La Rosa and the officers of the Philippine National Police, the officers and enlisted personnel of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, ang mga magigiting nating Pilipino, veterano, mga kasama ko sa gobyerno, mga kababayan. I'd like to just start by giving you, hindi ko kasali sa speech,